In today's video, we're going to talk about NVC update, cases, document, and email they are working on this week, and also DV-2021 update. If it's something you want to know, just stay tuned, and I'll be right back.
USA Monde.
Good morning, my beautiful people. This is John from USA Monde. Welcome back, and thanks for watching. If it's your first time on my channel, as always, welcome. Here my goal is to help newcomers, permanent resident, and also US citizens regarding the immigration questions. Sometimes we talk about different topics, and also I give advice to newcomers to United States of America so they can stay out of trouble. It's very important. But today's video, like I say in the introduction, is about NVC in 2021 DV lottery visa winners. Okay, so some of you guys who petition for your relative, and your relative will come to United States of America on immigrant visa. You know that once your petition is approved by USCIS, the case will move to NVC National Visa Center. Okay, but if your relative, the beneficiary, lives in the United States of America, that case will stay at USCIS, and then USCIS will send you a notification so they can so the beneficiary can adjust his or her status to become a permanent resident. Okay, but like I say, in case the relative will come with immigrant visa, well, your case will move to NVC National Visa Center. Some of you guys who are new here, you probably don't know how the process works, or some of you guys don't have a chance to check the NVC update every week. That's the main reason why I do this every week for you guys. Okay, so let's say the beneficiary, the intended immigrant, will come to United States of America on immigrant visa. What's gonna happen is USCIS, like I said, will send you the case, the petition to NVC National Visa Center, where NVC will receive that and create a visa case for the intended immigrant. So once the visa case is created, well, NVC will contact you, the petitioner, will send you a welcome letter. On the welcome letter, you will receive, you will see case number and invoice ID, and you're gonna use those two things to log into NVC system to start the immigrant visa process. Okay, so once you start the immigrant visa process, the first thing you're gonna do is to pay fees. You're gonna pay affidavit of support fees, you're gonna pay immigrant visa fees, and then you're gonna upload on some document. So yesterday, August 16, NVC announced on their website that they are working on cases they received from USCIS on August 9. Okay, it can be I-130 case, it can be I-40 case, it can be I-129F case. So it depends on which case they receive, where they start working on those cases. Okay, if it's like how they call it, I-130 case, well, like I say, you the petitioner, you're gonna pay the fees and all those time and submit some document. Not only the petitioner will submit some document, but the intended immigrant also will submit some document, upload some document to NVC Computer Electronic Application Center. Those documents are called civil document. Okay, so once you the petitioner and the intended immigrant upload those documents, NVC will review the document and the fees that you pay. And if everything is correct, well, then your case will move to the next step. So yesterday also, NVC National Visa Center announced on the website that they are reviewing document they received from you guys on June 15. Okay, they are reviewing those documents, and they will let you know whether or not you know, they need additional document or not. But if they don't need additional document, well, your case will move to the next step, like I say, which is going to be in line to go to you know, the U.S. consulate, where the intended immigrant will go for interview. Okay, so we know that most of the U.S. consulate are scheduling interview appointment based on when your case is documented to qualify, based on the visa category. Some of you guys are on top of the priority, like adopt children for U.S. citizen, or spouse and children under age of U.S. citizen, parent of U.S. citizen. Those people are on top of the priority list, and then they will get their interview appointment letter a little bit sooner. Some of you guys who are like in DV category, you kind of on the bottom, or F4 category, kind of on the bottom of the priority list, and you're gonna wait a little bit longer, unfortunately. So once NVC is able to schedule an interview appointment for you, they will contact you and let you know when you're gonna go to your interview, you know, what date, which consulate, and you know, what kind of document you're gonna take to your interview. Okay. On the third update now is regarding emails on you guys on send to NVC asking different questions. Well, they are doing their best to respond to those emails. So yesterday also, August 16, NVC announced on their website that they are responding to email they received from you guys on July 23rd. So make sure you monitor your email so you don't miss any email coming from NVC. Remember, you know, this email update is not about the email you send, expedite request. Okay, it's not about expedite request. For expedite request, it takes a little bit longer than just a regular email. So another thing is, if you send NVC email, they don't respond during the time frame, well, don't just send them another email like every week you send an email. When you do that, it will delay the response to your first email. Okay, so make sure you wait till if they don't respond to you within the time frame, that's when you send another email. So now, like I said at the beginning of this video, we're going to talk about DV lottery visa. I have a quick update for some of you guys who win lottery visa last year on 2021. Well, normally you're supposed to get your interview appointment letter and go to your interview before September 30th, 2021. But what is happening now, because of the backlogs, well, the U.S. consulate are unable to process all those DV cases, you know, and some of you guys, you know, unfortunately won't be able to get your interview appointment letter before September 30, 2021. So what's going to happen is, if you don't get your interview appointment letter, well, make sure you register for 2022 DV visa again. Okay, don't get discouraged. I know it's not going to be easy, but do your best. Try to register again, because by doing that you increase your chance to win again, and then hopefully they will be able to process your case so you can get a visa next year. Okay, that's one thing. I know it's going to be a little bit hard for some of you guys, because your hope is in, you know, you just thinking about that, you want to get your visa and come to United States of America, but the reality is NVC won't be able to process, KCC won't be able to process on all those cases. So hopefully some of you guys gonna get your interview appointment letter before the deadline, which is on September 30, 2021. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys love and learn something from it. If you know somebody who might benefit from this video, please share it with that person. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you want to be notified every time I have a new video, hit the bell. If you are new here, you like what you're seeing, or you've been watching my video, you never subscribe, well, you can click on the subscribe button down below this video if you decide to subscribe. If you want to support this channel, we have a USA Month shop, you know, selling some t-shirt. The link is in the description below. Once again, my name is John. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video.
USA Monde.